Hello everyone, welcome back to Express VTU for all. In this video, we will understand NoSQL graph database and Neo4j, which is a very important topic for exam point of view. So let's start with the definition. A NoSQL graph database is a type of database that store data in the form of graph. It uses node and relationship instead of table. It is mainly used for the highly connected data like social network, recommendation systems, and the fraud detection. Now let us understand the core structure of the graph database. So our first node, which represents real world entities like employee, customer, or the product. Each node can have label and the properties. Second relationship is relationship connect nodes and present how they are related. They are also directed and can also have the same properties. Third properties is these are key values pair stored in the nodes and relationship. For example, name and age. Our fourth path is a path is a sequence of nodes and relationship used to traverse the graph. Now let's move to the Neo4j. So Neo4j is a popular NoSQL graph database that follows the property graph model. It uses a query language called the Cypher. Cypher is used to create, search and manipulate graph data. Important commands include create, match, where and return. For example, we can match employees working in a specific department using pattern-based queries. Now let's look at the key feature of the Neo4j. So first one is schema flexibility. It does not require a fixed schema. Second one is asset compliance. It ensures reliable and consistent transaction. Third one is high performance. It uses indexing and in-memory processing for the faster queries. Now fourth one is efficient relationship traversal. It is faster than joins used in database. Fifth one is replication and scalability. It supports clustering and replication for high availability. Now fifth one is visualization. So Neo4j is providing graphical representation of data which make it is easy to understand relationship. So we can say that graph database like Neo4j are powerful for handling connecting data and they provide fast, flexible and efficient data processing. So like that you have to write in the examination along with the proper diagram and explanation of each one. So if you want these notes, the link of the WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel is given in the description box. You go and check it from there. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe Express VTU for all.